Stood up.
Yeah.
It's 5 in the morning.
Blowing up the pond.
You sleeping? I'm eating. Chill.
Out here getting it.
Dream away, young nigga.
Lost in this life of water.
I'ma put this work in.
Deep blue sea.
No matter what I try to do, I can't do right. The other day I jacked a hot pickle and fruit stripes. Yeah. Then me and my niggas stole 2 bikes. Then we went on like 2 flights, no plane. I'm talking about the night hustle. Me, myself, I flex my muscle. I ain't really trying to tussle. See, that thing'll probably bust you. Brat. And I know the cops tryna bug you. I hope your shit ain't tapped, nigga, and I hope you ain't wearing a wire. Put some water on them, electrify them, set them on fire. If a nigga plan with me and my people, see, we don't play though. Niggas think that this just a game, it ain't no Play-Doh, but I'll mold ya, scold ya, fold ya like clothes that's straight out of the dryer, then puff some trees to get higher. Shit. Niggas know they carry like Mariah. Kids that ain't theirs on they taxes. Shit, y'all niggas acting like actress. Y'all don't know Beatrice, that's my uncle from the city, nigga. B32, nigga, you understand? Do your history, your research. Fuck around and they gon' probably have to call rebirth. Your face on a t-shirt. Now you're resting in peace, boy. Playing around with us, this shit could get hot like grease, boy. Fly over the grease, boy. Money it increase, boy. Get it straight like a crease, boy. Pulling up in like 3 toys. Get under your skin like a keloid. The only alphabets we cool with is D-boys and B-boys. You ain't the man, nigga, use a decoy. Use a lookout, you eating off per diem. When the birds come in, you never ever see them. You ain't the type that's tryna get a Benz or a BM. Niggas that be lying get on my nerves like my BM. Hang them up in the lame nigga museum. We quick to see them. Put them to sleep if they playin' around with me and my niggas. Yeah, we quick to creep. Yeah, we come through 30 deep. And like 30 cars, probably got like 30 bras. Knock off 30 bars, tryna play around with me and my rich gang. You tryna play around with me and my rich gang. Prove you's a bitch, man. Fucking with the young stunners. Nigga, you fucking with the young stunners. Nigga, you fucking around the rich gang. We prove that you a bitch, man. And have your man been picking out your funeral fit, man. Stop fucking with us before we spin a bit. Do you in? Hit you up with a Mac 10. You and your kin, shots out the Mac 10. Nigga, that's my nigga. Make a nigga do a backspin. If you play, we jack them. Yeah, me and my rich gang. You got me fucked up with my rich gang. Ain't nothing for us to prove that you a bitch, man. Playing around your mall, be picking your funeral fit, man.
Uptown rich nigga. Come from the slums with it.
This nigga D.I.C. you, nigga.
We out here getting it. Mastermind this whole game plan.
Beat it.
Money pop. Off
It's
the
up.
floor. Showroom floor.
You know.
Marble floors and chandeliers.
Negro.
20 on beaches, yeah.
I let go.
Call game stupid.
Bills, I see you, nigga.
Money
Pony
game to the
Pagani.
silk. Grind no end. It's just life. Flashy lifestyle every day. 100 in the right pocket. Scrap under. Living life. Bring them bottles.